Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. First of all, I just wanted to say a happy Canada Day to all my Canadian friends and subscribers. Just doing a little update on my 24 horsepower Yard Machines tractor. I was having an issue where when I gave it gas it would barely want to move until the belt started to warm up. What I ended up having to do is replace the belt. Really hard to see, but up in top there's a belt that goes from about here underneath to a pulley back to your transaxle, and then there's also a belt underneath a pulley at the bottom of your motor. Goes to another pulley right about there where the two belts meet up. Purchased these belts off Amazon. I believe they're around $60 some. As far as the amount of work that it takes to replace them, it is quite tedious. You have to pop off the mower deck. There is quite a few parts you got to pull off, including the bottom pulley. Got to take out the battery tray, and try to finagle it all on. Luckily I was able to figure it out and get it all back on, and knock on wood, so far I've done about 10 mows, and so far so good. So hopefully the Amazon belts, which are probably just a Chinese knockoff belt, hold up as well as the Yard Machines belt that came on it back roughly 10 years ago. One of the belts appeared to have quite a few splits in it. The other one appeared fine. However, it looked like it was stretched a little bit, and that's why it was slipping. So they've been replaced, and hopefully it will get me through this mow season, and hopefully it will get me through plowing this coming winter for 2018. Again, just a short update on it. It's one of these things that it's routine maintenance. Luckily the original belts lasted about 10 years. The deck belt, I've replaced that one time. That's a really easy belt to replace. That takes about probably 5 minutes to replace, and so far it looks good. I did notice a couple little splits in it, however it is a couple years old. So my goal for this tractor is to get a few more years out of it. Like I said, I've had it roughly 10 years or more now, and hopefully I'll get a few more years out of it. My next tractor that I end up purchasing, I'd love to get something at least the same size, or if I can find a 26 horsepower, a little more heavy duty than this one here, that would be perfect. That would suit my needs, especially if it has a rear differential lock. Anyways guys, just a short update on the old tractor there. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and you may want to consider subscribing. If you do, hit that bell so you get updates on new videos that come out. Thanks folks, again happy Canada Day, and to my American friends in a few days, happy Memorial Day. Take care.